Studio 55 is a program geared towards adults 55 years and older, funded by Michelson Philanthropy, focused on building skills and also focused on community building and tying that back to the exhibitions, which I think is just the coolest part about teaching classes at a museum is, yes, offering a skill, offering a quality class and making sure people have those skills, but offering that with knowledge alongside of it, with what we have on display. Things we do to get ready for a new Studio 55 class are really make sure that we're looking at the exhibitions on view, find something that could inspire a full 8-week course. And once we've honed in on the exhibit that we're really wanting to create a class around, we'll find a teaching artist that has a specialty in that medium, make sure that they've been here, they understand the exhibition, and everything kind of falls into place after we've decided on the exhibition and the teaching artist. We partner with several small nonprofits in the area where we host classes for all age ranges, and we've decided to do that again with the Studio 55 classes. For off-site partners that might be a little further away, specifically for the Studio 55 classes, we wanted to make sure that they were able to interact with the exhibitions that we have here and see the art that was inspiring the classes that they were taking. So part of that was making sure that we scheduled field trips for them, where a bus would come to the off-site partner where they're taking the class and take them to the museum. They'd be here for a couple hours to be able to see all those exhibitions that inspired those classes. And of course, we also wanted to make that a community building aspect, so we made sure to take them to a cultural spot, ergo Alessi Bakery, which has been a really large part of the Tampa community for a while. So we made sure they got a little bite to eat before they went back to their offsite location. And that's been a really great way of making sure that the students that are building those skills really understand what they're inspired by. Studio 55 has been a joy to see people interact with it and get so much value out of it. It's been a great way to bring people into the museum, to have them see the new exhibits, but also get them in contact with each other and get them creating.